The fox and the cat. Better one safe plan than many risky ones. Once upon a time, a clever fox and a humble cat were discussing their plans to escape danger. The fox boasted about knowing 100 tricks, while the cat said she only knew one. Suddenly, hunters appeared with hounds chasing them. The fox tried to use many tricks, but got confused and trapped. The cat, relying on her single plan, climbed up a tree safely and watched the hunters pass by. This story teaches us that it's better to have one reliable plan than many risky ones. Focus and simplicity often win over complication. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like, share it with friends, and subscribe for more content like this.